Hey there, trade triers! Welcome back to Shane Trade Try Journal, where I'm documenting my journey as a beginner trader, learning the ropes, and sharing what I find along the way. Today, I'm super pumped to talk about a game-changing tool I discovered called the Volumatic VIDYA Indicator. I first learned about this from an awesome YouTube video called One Indicator, 3 Uses, Most Powerful Trading Tool Ever Created by PineTrades. Huge shout out to them for the inspiration, and I'll link their video in the description for you to check out. In this video, we're applying the volumetric video to a stock I'm watching right now, ticker symbol CRCL, Circle, on the 15-minute chart using TradingView. Oh, and big news! Circle is dropping their earnings tomorrow, Tuesday, August 12th, before the market opens, so this could get spicy. By the end of this, you will know what this indicator is, how to set it up on TradingView, and how to use it to make smarter trading decisions. Let's dive in. Let's start with setting it up on TradingView. Add the volumetric video to your chart is very easy on TradingView, which is my go-to charting platform. Here's how you do it. Open TradingView and pull up the chart for your stock or pair. Click the indicators button at the top. Type volumetric variable in the search bar. Look for the one by Big Beluga and click to add it. Boom, it's on your chart with default settings ready to go. Now let's tweak those settings to make it work for your trading style. Here's a quick look at the key settings you can play with. Video length. A shorter length makes the indicator super sensitive but might give false signals. A longer length smooths things but can lag. I'm still experimenting to find my sweet spot. Video momentum. Higher values give you a smoother trend cloud, while lower ones make it more reactive to price swings. Band distance. This says how far the upper and lower bands are from the VIDYA line. Use a bigger distance for wider volatile markets and a smaller one for calmer ones. Pivot detection. This controls how the indicator marks highs and lows and where volume labels pop up. Here's my settings, but feel free to tweak these and let me know what works for you in the comments. The VIDYA indicator has a few key parts that makes it so powerful. When it's green, the market is bullish. Think upward momentum. When it's red, it's bearish. Prices are likely heading down. Trend shift markers. Green up triangles signal a potential bullish flip, while red down angles warn of a bearish turn. The volume table. This is a secret sauce. It shows buy volume, total volume of bullish candles in the current trend, and sell volume, total volume of bearish candles. Delta volume, the percentage difference between buy and sell volume. Here's why that table matters. In a bullish trend, a high positive delta, like plus 30% or more, means buyers are in control, great for long trades. In a bearish trend, a high negative delta, like minus 30 or more, shows strong selling pressure, perfect for shorts. But if the delta is close to zero, say between minus 10% and plus 10%, the market is probably ranging and you might want to sit it out. Let's jump into Circle CRCL on the 15-minute chart and see what the volumetric VIDYA is telling us right now. It's about 5 a.m. on Monday, August 11th, and the market is still closed. But here's the latest from the indicator. Buy volume 169.22K. Sell volume 141.61K. Delta volume 17.85%. The cloud is green, which is a bullish signal, and that positive delta of 17.85% shows buyers are outpacing sellers, but it's not quite at that 30% sweet spot I like for strong long trades. Looking back, we got a green up triangle at 10:30 a.m. last Friday, August 8th, which marked a potential bullish flip, and the cloud's been green since then. So what's my take as a beginner trader? The green cloud is encouraging and the positive delta suggests some buying momentum, but that 17.85% is a bit too low for me to feel confident jumping into a long trade right now. With CRCL's earning coming up tomorrow, August 12th, before the market opens, things could get wild. I'm thinking I'll wait for the delta to climb above 30% for stronger bullish signal, or keep an eye out if it drops toward minus 30%, which could hint at a reversal, especially post-earnings. For now, I am staying patient. What about you? Would you trade this setup or are you waiting for earnings too? Let me know in the comments. So let's summarize how to trade with this indicator. There are two main ways to use this indicator depending on the market. The first one, trending markets. Check the cloud color, green for bullish, red for bearish. For long trades, only jumping during a green cloud with a delta volume of at least 30%. That shows strong buying pressure. For shorts, go for red cloud with a delta of minus 30% or lower, strong selling pressure. A simple long setup. Wait for green cloud, Then look for the price to retest the most recent pivot low marked by the indicator without closing below it. If the delta is above 30%, enter the trade, set your stop loss below the pivot, and aim for a target that's twice your risk. For shorts, just flip it. Red cloud, retest of a pivot high, delta below minus 30%. The second way of using this indicator during the ranging markets, if the delta volume is between minus 10% and plus 10%, the market is likely stuck in a range, even if the cloud looks bullish or bearish. This is your cue to avoid trading and save your capital for better setups. As a beginner, I'm loving how this indicator helps me stay out of bad trades by combining trend and volume signals. That's a volumatic VIDYA in action, a very powerful tool for combining trend and volume analysis into one clean package. I'm still learning, and sharing these breakdowns helps me grow as a trader while hopefully helping you too. If you found this useful, please smash that like button, subscribe to Shane Trade Try Journal, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video. This channel is all about tracking my trading journey, and I'd love to connect with others who are learning too. Show some love for this beginner by liking, subscribing, and commenting. Let me know if you want me to break down another ticker with this indicator.